Welcome to HeyGen Academy. In this video, we will cover inviting your teammates so you're ready to collaborate and create right away. First, make sure you're viewing from your own workspace. Then go to Settings and click Members under Workspace Settings. You'll see a list of everyone who currently has access to your workspace, including their name, role, which workspace they belong to, and their status. You can search for members by name or email, filter by status, or export the list. To add someone new, just click Invite Members in the top right. This opens the Invite People to your team dialog. First, use the Select a Space drop-down to choose which workspace you're inviting them into. Then you have two ways to invite. Type their email address directly into the Invite by Email field. You can also set their role here and hit Confirm and Invite. Alternatively, if you want to share access more broadly, click Create Invite Link to generate a shareable link that anyone can use to join your workspace. Down here, you'll see that this page also surfaces teammates from your company domain who are already using HeyGen on free plans. Just hit Review and Invite to bring them into your workspace with one click. After you've invited a new user, you'll notice their email show up in your workspace list with the status Invite Sent. Once the new user signs into their HeyGen account, accepts the invite, and joins the space, their status will be updated to active. Keep in mind that as soon as you approve a request, the user becomes an active member of your workspace. Their name will appear in the active members list, and a seat will be used. Next to each member, you'll notice a three-dot menu icon. Click it to reveal two quick actions. Remove member, which lets you revoke their access to the workspace entirely, and move to sub workspace, which lets you reassign them to a more specific team or sub workspace within your organization. For members with a pending invite sent status, the menu instead shows resend invite in case they missed the original email, and revoke invite if you'd like to cancel the invitation before they join. Next, let's go over roles and how to configure them. First, we have our super admin, who are usually administrators of your team's HeyGen plan and workspaces. Super admins have the highest level of access. They can add, remove, and configure permissions for other teammates, make purchases or upgrades to the account, and create, edit, and review content. Next are developers. These users have the ability to create content in HeyGen as well as access HeyGen's API. Choose this role for any teammates who need to set up advanced integrations like connecting a CRM or email client. Next are creators. This role is usually best for teammates using HeyGen to create videos regularly. Creators have the ability to make avatars, videos, and voices, but won't be able to manage permissions, purchases, or access the API. And lastly are viewers. These users are usually approvers or reviewers who only need to view content but not make changes. And with that, we covered how to invite members to your workspace.